Well, it's officially Coast Guard Week in Grand Haven this week, and we're sailing into some great weather here throughout all of this week. We've even trimmed back the chances of rain. 13 weather ball tonight is green. No change to this sunnier, warmer, and less humid weather pattern foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
One change we have noticed is that there is more of that haze in the air. This is the wildfire smoke, which is way up in the atmosphere, and that's the reason why you've seen the less blue skies compared to over the weekend. Great start to the day, very quiet. You wouldn't even know that there was a festival going on at 8 o'clock in the morning, but as the day went on, more boat traffic and yes, the parade of ships here this afternoon. Just an outstanding day. You can see some of that wildfire haze coming in this afternoon. Temperatures very comfortable, mid and upper 70s, 80 here in Grand Rapids. The heat index or the feels like temperature also very similar. Had a few cumulus clouds develop inland. This will be the case all week long as the winds come in off of Lake Michigan. Will form these lake breeze clouds, but very little, if any, chance of rain. You can see some of that wildfire smoke showing up in here, a little hazier conditions, and that will be with us here during the day tomorrow as well. Meantime, high pressure is keeping all of the showers and thunderstorms at bay, and as I mentioned, we're trimming back the chances of showers. We can see mainly clear skies overnight. Full moon here tonight actually occurs tomorrow afternoon, but great full moon, and even on Tuesday, despite partly sunny skies, we got lots of nice weather coming our way. Hardly a chance of rain coming up all the way until this next weekend, even through Saturday. You can see Wednesday is clear and dry. That's Thursday, an isolated shower to the north and east, but not in most areas. Friday, lots of sunshine as well, so we've trimmed back those chances of rain. Even on Saturday, as we wrap up Coast Guard Festival with fireworks overnight, it's going to be beautiful. Now on Sunday, we do have a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. But that's after the Coast Guard Festival is done. Now, the only couple of days that are going to be a little bit more humid will be on Thursday and again on Sunday, and that's Sunday is that chance for some showers and storms. Long-range outlook says our temperatures will recover back up into the low 80s. We'll see some 80s here, but at the end of that 10-day forecast, we'll also see a little bit higher chance for more precipitation. As far as our forecast out on Lake Michigan, should be a gorgeous night. We some of that wildfire haze, so it should be a spectacular sunset, but waves virtually flat as the winds go offshore late tonight. Forecast then for tonight, we look for hazy skies, clear conditions around 60 north and south, a warm spot at 61 in Grand Haven and Muskegon. Mid 50s up north, hazy conditions, a light west wind before they become calm. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, hazy moonlight out there with overnight lows in the upper 50s. 13 on your side forecast. 82 tomorrow, 85 Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, down to around 80 on Saturday. We've increased our chances of rain on Sunday. Even next week, despite a little higher humidity Monday and Tuesday, pretty nice week with lots of sunshine and at least at that time, a little bit lower humidity. All the way around, just gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm excited for that cool down on Saturday for the Coast Guard Parade.
Oh, it looks, just the whole week looks great.
Perfect week.
Well, late Friday night, storms have given way to some much more comfortable weather here in West Michigan. How long is that going to last? 13 weather ball remains green. No change to our more seasonable, comfortable weather pattern foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And a beautiful night to walk the dog. We've got a little bit of haze in the air for Luna. Yeah, you are loving the water there, I assume. Tammy, no issues here this evening, just that haze in the sky, 70s this evening, and around 60 in the morning. Ideal for your Bashan. Now tonight, we have a full moon in the sky. Actually occurs tomorrow at 2:31. This is the full sturgeon moon as the fish, the sturgeon, are starting to run this time of year. Moon's going to come up a little bit before 9 o'clock, go down a little bit before 6 o'clock. In the west. In terms of our solar energy, another great day here tomorrow, although we've got a lot more haze in the air, so that's going to knock our totals down from, compared to yesterday and today, to 7.7 out of a 10-point scale. Also, very light winds here again, so all of our green energy being generated by mostly the sun this time of year. We got plenty of sunshine despite the wildfire haze overhead. May get a little bit thicker here tomorrow. We had a few fair weather cumulus clouds inland. There were one or two showers well to the east, one up there in Montcalm County. most part, we're going to stay virtually dry through all of this week. Cold front trying to work its way down from the northeast. We have northeast winds at least for a day and a half before they turn around to the south. Any of those showers will dissipate. We'll have wildfire haze tonight and during the day tomorrow, and then some high-level clouds will come in later this week, but no chance of any rain. Very little chance, I should say. Wouldn't have to worry about changing your schedules or any of your outdoor plans. This is on Wednesday. You saw all the showers staying away from us. Same with on Thursday here in southwest lower Michigan. Going to be just great all the way through Friday as well as we wrap up Coast Guard Festival on Saturday. Plenty of sunshine, just some high clouds around. Any showers are going to wait until during the day on Sunday or even Sunday night, and that's our only chance in the forecast. Looking farther ahead at the end of our 10-day forecast and beyond, temperatures return to warmer than average readings for that 1 week period, and a little bit higher chance to see more precipitation as well. So warm and a little wetter during that 1 week period. Water temperatures continue to climb, low and mid 70s. Just beautiful at the lake shore. If you're headed out to the lake here tonight, should be a great sunset. A lot of haze in the air, should make for spectacular photos. Share them on social media with me. Around 60 up north, 61 the warm spot there for overnight lows in Grand Haven and Muskegon. In northern part of our viewing area, mid 50s with that hazy star shine and that full moon in the sky. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, look for overnight lows in the mid and upper 50s. 13 on your side forecast. It does get a little bit humid tomorrow afternoon with the haze, and it will be humid through Friday morning, and then comfortable weather on Saturday for the great Grand Haven Coast Guard Parade. Chances of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and overnight on Sunday. A little bit humid by then into next Monday, but all the way around, just some spectacular weather as we wrap up July today and that first full week of August.
Yeah, it looks like an absolutely beautiful week for one of our favorite events of the year.
Oh, yeah, we love the Coast Guard Parade.
Well, George, it looks like for the next few days, the weather is going to be calm and quiet.
And with this being Coast Guard Week, we hope there's not going to be any rain on the parade.
No, we certainly think there will not be any rain all week long, even on the parade coming up on Saturday. Let's check in for your Tuesday. 13 weather ball is green. No change to the more comfortable weather pattern foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today climbed up to 80 plus in a lot of areas, including 81 here in Grand Rapids, as is usually the case for our visitors along the lakeshore. Just a few degrees cooler with an onshore breeze. We measure ourselves every day, one of the only stations in the country that does that. We forecast 81 today, and we made 81. We consider that a bullseye. We've done that within our target 3 days in a row, and actually we've been on target 27 out of the last 31 days. As far as our current temperatures, we're in the mid and upper 70s. Heat index values or feels like temperatures are right around the upper 70s to near 80. That will change very little throughout the week. As is usually the case with an onshore breeze, we get a little bit of a lake breeze that develops in here. Further to the east, where it was a little more unstable, there were a couple of scattered showers that popped up, but not here in West Michigan. You notice a little haze in the air. This is wildfire smoke that is coming down with a northwest wind, so it's gotten a lot hazier this afternoon. It will continue to be hazy here at least for another 24 hours. Now tonight, skies will be clear. We got that full moon in the sky tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. You saw maybe a spotty shower up over Montcalm County. Most of the area will stay dry, and in fact, we're going to see dry conditions for the most part all the way into the weekend. Here's Wednesday afternoon's weather. Lots of sunshine, less haze, more sunshine during the day on Thursday. You saw a couple of spotty showers to the north and east, but not here in West Michigan. Nice sunny day on Friday, and that will extend into Saturday. We'll see some high clouds around by the end of the day. And then by Sunday afternoon, we're going to start to see some showers and thunderstorms, but that's after all of the big festivities are done along the lakeshore. Long range outlook from August 12th through the 25th. If you missed it on Friday, equal chance for warmer or cooler temperatures during that 2-week period, and an equal chance for more or less precipitation. Heading out to the lake here tomorrow, make sure you put on that sunscreen. Still a lot of haze, especially in the early part of the day. Winds go from offshore to onshore and pick up during the afternoon, but virtually flat at the beaches. Forecast then for tomorrow, hazy conditions, plenty of sun, highs right around 80 plus north, 83 in Muskegon and in Grand Haven up north, around 80 to 82 with lots of hazy sunshine. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, highs tomorrow will be up into the low 80s. 13 on your side forecast. Humidity comes back a little bit Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning, and then dropping off on Saturday should be delightful. And on Sunday through next Tuesday, a little bit more humid again. Really, the only chance of thunderstorms that mean anything will be on Sunday.